Hey guys, welcome to the Weber Kitchen Remodel 2024. We are getting ready to renovate our entire kitchen here at the house, and I wanted to document everything and kind of give an overview of what it took to get everything switched over, not only for my purposes to have as a history of our renovations, but something to share along with you guys to show you what is possible with a kitchen renovation and what you can accomplish by yourself if you know what you're doing. So I'm going to give you kind of an overview of where we're at right now. We haven't started any construction yet, but that's coming up very soon. So let's get right into it, and I will show you exactly what we're getting ready to do. So this right here is our existing kitchen. We have black cabinets, this tan countertop, tan backsplash. We do have a bay window that sits right here. Right now, what our plan is we are going to remove all of the cabinets and all of the countertops, flooring, new appliances all the way around, and we're going to take this wall right here and remove it and move it back that way about 4 feet. So that's the overall plan. We have an electric stove right now. It's a piece of junk. We're going to replace it with gas, a nice gas stove, which I have missed for 9 years. Where these two windows right here that you see are going to stay in place. We're not going to touch those. And then this bay window that I showed a minute ago, we're going to take it out and essentially replace it with a picture window that's going to take up more or less the entire space here, with the exception of just a little bit on this side. And we're going to raise that window up because we're going to take our new countertop is going to come across to about the middle of this window and then come out to about where this table sits right now as a peninsula area. So we're going to have new countertop that's going to go all the way across here, all the way around by the sink, all the way around, and then this wall, like I said, is going to be 4 foot farther that way. And I will show you where that's at. If we come down the hallway into our dining room area, let me turn a light on. This wall right here is the existing wall in the kitchen. That one is going to shift and move, and it's going to get relocated over to just about this area right here on the wall. So we're going to open up this entire space, which is about 4 feet, and that's going to expand our kitchen and make it so much more functional and so much bigger. We're going to be able to put an island right in this general area, and then our refrigerator, this countertop, and this cabinetry is all going to get pushed back to that new wall, and we're going to take that wall out. All these can lights and this little soffit up here are going to get removed, and our new cabinets are going to go full height to the ceiling, which is going to be very nice. And like I said, we're getting all new appliances and new flooring, new cabinets, new countertops, and everything involved with that. This little area right here we have right now is an existing pantry cabinet where we store crock pots and that kind of stuff. This wall right here we're going to take out and move this around and make this into a little coffee bar. We're going to run a new water line up into the interior of that wall and create a dedicated spigot line for the water to be able to fill up our coffee maker without having to take the thing off and take it over to the sink and refill it when it gets low. That's going to be a game changer, and that's going to be so awesome once we get that all done. When we lived down in Carrollton before we moved up here to Jacksonville, we took our existing kitchen down there and completely gutted it all the way down to studs and redid that entire kitchen. That was a major renovation, and it turned out absolutely beautiful, and we loved it. When we moved up here 9 years ago, we gave that up, and we thought we were getting granite countertops just based on the look of them, but come to find out they were crap laminate, and we just kind of put up with it for 9 years. Finally have saved our money up to be able to do this renovation, and it's going to be amazing. I want to take you guys along with us and take myself along with the project, just so I can document everything and see what we did. The before and after on this kitchen is going to be amazing, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. So join us for the ride and enjoy the process, and see us on the other side when we have this kitchen all done in a couple of months.